Hi guys, I'm Asnith, and today I am going to be bringing you another recipe. Okay, so today's recipe is a detox drink, guys. This detox drink only requires 4 ingredients, and actually it's not going to totally be a detox drink. I had to adapt and make it into a detox smoothie, but I love it. So I just figured why not share it with you because I feel like I benefit so much from drinking it. All right, so for this recipe, the first thing I like to use is cranberries. Now, fresh cranberries are best, guys, because you can juice the fresh cranberries and use about 1/4 cup in this recipe. Because I don't have fresh cranberries, that's why it has become a smoothie. And I'm going to use 1 cup of cranberries. So you just want to measure that out. That's pretty much it. I've used it down to there. The next thing, and let's talk about cranberries too. Like I said in my previous videos, I'm no doctor or nurse, but everyone knows cranberries is excellent for the urinary tract. Okay, so already with that benefit, that's a plus. All right, so the next thing I want to use is apple cider vinegar with the mother. Guys, I sent my son to buy me some vinegar, and this is what he brought me. But no complaints, because you should be thankful when people do stuff for you. But for you, if you can, get the apple cider vinegar with the mother in it. Also, why would I want to use apple cider vinegar? Guys, do you know it's good for like cutting down those spikes with your glucose after you eat, right? Sometimes it's just little things that are so beneficial that we just take for granted. This is a good thing to have in your detox drink, guys. The next thing I want to use is lemon. And I want to use water. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and combine the ingredients. So 1 cup of that, 1 squeeze of lemon, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. I'm not measuring it out, but you can, guys. I'm just guesstimating with this. And the water, 8 ounces. Let's see if I get that right today. Yeah, that looks about 8 ounces to me. All right, so now, oh guys, I left my top over there. All right, so now I'm going to add my top on. All right, guys, so when I go to blend this, I'm going to bring you the gratitude dance I've been feeling lately when my work is over. So as this goes on, I'm going to do it for you. All right, I wonder if you could tell what profession I do by my dance, guys. So next thing you're going to do is just pour this out. I left a little piece of paper towel on there. Just get that out. All right, so this is it, guys. And I know some of you are probably like, oh, that's so sour. I love it like that. But if you can't take it, add your little apple cider vinegar, maple syrup, or some dates to sweeten it, guys. But you're going to love this. I've been down in these all week. I think I'm in a phase right now. All right. So if you would add anything, let me know. If you would change anything, let me know. Until next time, have a great taste.